My version of a traction engine. I'll start from the back. Some traction engines used to carry a water bowser, which is designed there. You can take this off if you wanted to. Back of the traction engine, local storage area for your coal, looking on it. There. Steering, the person used to be on here, steer at the front there. My chain link, to do it. A worm system. Also the steering here can go up and down for rough ground. Got your, I believe it's your governor, I believe that is there. It spins around. That'll be your dynamo here at the front. I'll just turn it around for you. The other side. Which your flywheel used to onto your dynamo and generate the power lights and circuses and etc. and things like that. It works on a 9-volt battery, just showing you working. And instead of using the mains while I'm turning it around, it'll be a bit easier. I've designed the lid off so you can have access to it. Easy enough. I'll spin the other side round. Gives you a better view. And this is my version of a traction engine. Now, put the lid back on. Easy enough. This is cotton wool, represents steam. And this used to be an extension for the chimney. Someone got too low down there, used to put one extension on. That's what we used to do. Thank you for watching my traction engine. Bye for now.